Alright, good morning everybody. We are here at my grandma's new house. This is a 52-inch unknown hunter ceiling fan here at my grandma's house. Now, this is in her master bedroom. This is going to be the new bedroom. Now, eventually I'm going to get some pull chains, the attached pull chains that say hunter that have the tags to make it more prettier here. Right now, the fan's very nice. So if anybody knows the model of this fan, go ahead, feel free to leave me a comment. So, anyway. Oh, yes, I got a burned out bulb, which I'm going to have to change eventually. See? I don't know if that switch does, but that's for the light. That's the fan. Alright. Now I'll turn the fan on, which I don't know what speed it's on it. Even on high, medium, or low, I'm not quite sure. Like I said, if anybody knows the model of the ceiling fan, feel free to leave a comment. Yeah, if you hear talking, just ignore it. That's just my mom and my brother. I gotta try and make this video quick because I got things to do, so I don't want to break the fan. So I gotta try and make this video quick. Alright, that feels good. Puts out a little air on low, alright. I think that's medium. Yeah, that's medium. Wait, this was on medium. I'm sorry, I think this was on medium. It's a really nice fan. Like I said, all the fans. Hang on a minute. All the fan I got. Yes, this house has 6 ceiling fans, which maybe someday she'll get more for other rooms. I'm not quite sure, but. Alright, there's medium. That's low. Very nice fan. Low. Alright. Wait. I think this has 4 speeds. I'm not quite sure. But here's high. Oops. Look at that. Oh, crap. Crap. Oops, sorry about that. Yeah, there's a burned out bulb I'm going to have to change in there eventually. Well, that feels good. Oh, yeah. That is amazing. That feels good. Yeah, eventually I'm going to get some attachable chains with the Hunter fan light tags on it someday. I'll have to go to Lowe's and get some. Oh, my grandma has 3 of these in her house, so there will be more, but I'm going to have to get them on a separate video. Or I'll do something like that. I'm not quite sure, but alright. Well, that feels good, alright. I think this has 4 speeds. Not here. Let's be daring and see. Yep. Oh, this is the slowest speed. This has 4 speeds. I did not know that. This is the slowest speed on this fan. Very amazing. That's really, really cool. Let's see. High, medium, low, lower, off. I'll put back on this speed. See? Alright. Now, turn it off. Light. Alright guys, well, there y'all go. Since I don't want to waste time, because I gotta try to get all the other fans before I have time. See? Alright guys. Now we'll cut it off. Alright. There you go. There's the side. I cleaned all the fans here yesterday, so I'm gonna change that light bulb, which y'all know how to do it. Just unscrew it, replace it, but I'm gonna get that, but I may do it on, I don't know if I'll make a video of it, who knows, but anyway, hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll try to get the other fans if I can. Until then, enjoy this video, and like I said, I don't know the model of this fan, so if you have any comments, if anybody knows, don't be afraid, feel free to leave one. Until then, thanks for watching, and that's it.